Springtime, that time of year when people like to get out of the house and head on down to their local park to go camping. Like these two, Johnny and Billy. Say hello to the people, boys. Johnny and Billy have their boots to hike in, their hats to keep away ticks, and their backpacks to carry all the supplies they'll need. Notice how Johnny is wearing long pants. You always want to wear long pants so that your legs are protected from ticks, thorns, communists, and other dangers of the woods. Only the most unprepared campers wear shorts in the woods. Tisk tisk, Billy. You should know better. Ah, the boys look like they're having a fine time enjoying the wonders of nature. Now the boys are going to start looking for a place to set up camp. You should always set up camp somewhere uphill so that water doesn't drain into your tent. Now hold on, Billy, you can't set up camp here. That hole is some animal's home. You wouldn't just march onto someone else's land and call it your own, would you? Of course not. It's okay, Billy. We're here to learn. This looks like a good place to erect a tent. Proper tent setup is an important thing to know. You can really impress the ladies by pitching a good tent. Now that the boys have pitched their tent, it's time to start thinking about supper. Looks like we're gonna have to build ourselves a fire to cook those wieners. Johnny will build a fireplace, and Billy will get wood. What's wrong, Billy? Looks like someone had too many cream sodas. We'll use leaves, Billy. No, Billy, not those. That's poison ivy. Ah, Billy, you and your shenanigans. There, now don't you feel better, Billy? That sure is one good-looking fire. How are the hot dogs, boys? Yeah, they sure look like some tasty wieners. Alright, boys, we'll leave you to your dinner. Bye, boys. Yep, I think those happy campers are going to have themselves a gay old time.